Hello, and welcome to another MCO market update on XRP. Yeah, the XRP chart remains in a, I would say, challenging range. Okay, situation is actually quite clear, but it's just unfortunately a little bit boring. Just a bit boring. We haven't really seen any exciting movements in the altcoin sector in the last couple of weeks. Now, can't always be exciting. We had like 4 to 5 weeks of rally before that. From the 7th of April low. And yeah, XRP, like many other charts, is currently just in a consolidation, in a correction. And I mean, okay, we might be already in our breakout pattern here. But then again, since the May high, we've just been in a consolidation here. And overall, looking at the 4-day chart, from the January high, the market has really only been in a sideways consolidation as well. So we haven't really seen any significant price action. We haven't really, even though the market has moved up from the April low, again, it is all within a broader sideways range. Now, first of all, it's important to understand the range boundaries. And the idea is currently that we could be still in a bullish scenario. And the fifth wave to the upside could still take us, and it's unchanged from previous updates, to $5, $5.65 or even higher. But these are sort of two of the ideal targets above. It is important that the market holds above the April low. That's located at around $1.57. Now, even a break below the April low, I mean, it wouldn't be a disaster necessarily. Then the market has key support at $1.21. That's the 50% retracement of the third wave rally and remains an important support level. And for me, even the lower boundary line of this sideways range in which we have been moving. So I personally see this and have seen this already for quite some time as a range. Okay, so the market rallied and then Elliott wave, I love to use Elliott wave patterns to see them as ranges. So we have a lower support range or boundary level. That is the lowest support that a wave 4 should test. So it's at $1.21. So this here is essentially a range. And unfortunately, XRP loves to move in ranges. So we have to have some patience here. But as long as the $1.21 level holds, or ideally even the April low, the overall upside structure remains intact. I'd say let's also take a look at the shorter time frame for XRP. Unfortunately, also in the very short term, XRP hasn't given us any exciting price action. We are still respecting support, micro support, which is located here between $2.15 and $2.31. And resistance, which is between 236 and 244. So we're moving between support and resistance at the moment. There is no clear breakout pattern. And you can see that we could still be working on blue wave 2 here. A wave 2 bounce, a corrective. It's not even a rally, more like a corrective consolidation in a wave 2, which could then lead to, which could lead to a third wave to the downside, right? Wave 1, wave 2, and then third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave could decline like that. This scenario is plausible and actually preferred at the moment as long as the market stays below the $2.44 level, which is the key resistance level here. So $2.44 is the 78.6 retracement of the last decline. And as long as the market holds below, I don't have any evidence that a substantial low has formed. Rather, the pressure seems downward, and we could reach this lower support area going forward between $2.06 and $1.79. In the very short term, this choppy price action here doesn't give us any evidence that a low is in place. It's simply a range. It looks highly corrective and would rather look best with further downside. Now again, that might change if the price breaks above 244. Because that would be a little bit too bullish for a wave 2 corrective bounce. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.